In front of me is Honor 9A, and let me show you how to speed up this device. So at first, locate Optimizer, and now we can start with a cleanup. So just tap on Cleanup and wait a couple of seconds. As you can see, our device has been scanned. And for example, we can remove some unused apps and unnecessary files by tapping on Cleanup next to its icon. You can also pick some particular apps to delete, just mark it. And that would definitely free up some space on our Honor, and then it will work faster. Then you can also perform a virus scan. Okay, so this device is secure. However, if any virus is detected, it would be removed easily right here, and it will also speed up your phone. And then if this tab is active, right now it's in perfect condition. However, if it's not, you can smoothly tap on this optimize icon and it will also work perfectly for it. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.